Black Ace 36. Tonight I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this. It's a pretty cool looking thing. Alright, so this move's done on wall plane, split time, same direction. I keep my hands kind of moving back and forth, you know? Like that. And basically, I go over, I go up, so the tricky parts of this motion are at the 12 and the 6. You're going to be switching your front hands. I'm going to be showing you this by going in both directions. And the 12 direction, split time, and practice this, your 4 cardinal points, getting 1 beat per point, right? Beat, 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 right? This is an anti-spin 4 pedal, or wouldn't be a 4 pedal, but 4 points, right? And then when you add this in, this basically is doing the exact same thing, right? Which is another anti-spin. So they're both anti-spinning, and this is basically the exact same deal as what you are doing if you go like down, right, up, over, and down. It's the same idea. My tricks, right? And you kind of are doing almost like an isolation, but you're not. And you bring it down, right? So it's down here, so then you bring it up to this cardinal point, and you want a little bit of distance in between them, right? To give it that effect. It's kind of like that. And then when you go up, don't forget, you got to switch so that your left hand is now in front, and then back down to where your right hand is in front. So right in front, right in front, left in front, left in front, right in front, right in front, left in front, left in front. Okay, but if you're going to do it the other way, you only have to switch at the 6 and the 12. Switch arms. And then also, so things to practice are obviously your anti-spins in every way and hitting those 4 cardinal points, getting 1 beat, 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 you know, same deal over here. until you feel comfortable throwing this in. And once you feel comfortable completely, it's going to help you kind of learn the idea for isolations. It's going to teach you a little bit of the arm movement, you know. So practice that, because you're going to be doing this. Boom, 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 boom. And you can tell with the lights out, it really is. So these are the different ways that they'll look, alright? How about that? So, alright, so you got this one. You got